Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an early birthday unboxing. I've got a few things to unbox for my birthday, which I'm going to do a compilation video of once my birthday's passed, but I just want to start using it already because, you know, I got it early. So, yeah. Let's get to unboxing this. It's the new Rowan! As you can see, it's not the old Rowan, it's the new Rowan. There's some differences I'll show you guys in a second, but let me get to unwrapping this. I got this on sale for the TikTok sale recently, but they've raised the prices of the Rowans. I've noticed it's gotten pricey lately. Let's detach this strap. Here's the strap. Whoa. I also got more things for my birthday, but I'm gonna wait to open those. This one's just a little early one. So the strap's not super thick on the medium size. Anyway. It's a nice chocolate brown. I like the color. I kind of prefer it to cognac because cognac's a little bit too orangey and I don't think that flatters my skin tone because I have olive undertones. I know she's a keeper already, but yeah. I thought it was interesting that they made changes to these, so. Let me just do a quick unwrapping here. So, unwrap the strap. Handles are nicely wrapped as well. And then zipper pull. So it retails for $4.90. Oh boy, these are wrapped pretty good. Oh my god, I went crazy for my birthday this year, honestly. I was like, I had not the greatest birthday some past years, so I decided this will be my best birthday yet. So, splurged. Also, these Coach Rowans, they're hard to resist. They're just so cute. They're my favorite bag, and it makes sense why they're one of the most popular bags from Coach outlet. There she is in her glory, unwrapped. So, as you can see on the bottom, the pattern continues all the way around. Normally, there would be a piece of leather on the bottom and then 4 feet. I can show you my other one. This bag looks bigger, of course, due to the fact it's quilted, but they're basically the same. You can see on the bottom it has an extra piece of leather and 4 feet, and they decided to take that away. But it reminds me of the Louis Vuitton bag with the continuous pattern that goes all the way around, rather. And I'm wondering, since this canvas material seems a bit different from the previous Rowan canvas materials, I was thinking maybe it's going to soften up more and be more slouchy like the Louis Vuitton. I can show you. I'm pretty sure this one's a fake though, but it was gifted to me a long time ago. But like, see how squishy it is? I'm wondering if this one's going to be the same or if it's going to keep its shape more and be more firm. But I guess I'll find out over time of using it, but I'm about to switch into it, so. First we gotta get all the stuffing out and then we'll see how this looks. Some other distinct differences from, well, then there's also a large size as well now. Oh boy. There's a lot of stuffing in here. I'm gonna have to save it. I'm selling a few of my bags, or gonna try to, so I'm gonna need this stuffing. I feel like sometimes you just realize in your collection there's some pieces that just aren't ones you're gravitating to, and you're like, I'd rather get something new. Or I have something else that I'm using more. Some silica packets, gotta always keep those. Those are good for keeping your bag from being moist. I don't know, the canvas still feels pretty substantial. Here's how it looks inside. So there is a slip pocket right here. And then on the other side, there's a zipper pocket. And then as well on the exterior, there is a zipper pocket. So there is a lot of room. It's super cute. I love it. I feel like it's perfect for bringing fall colors into my outfits since I wear all pastels. And I just don't really wear black anymore. Like, I have black bags, but I don't use them. I'm like, oh no, why did I buy it? I thought initially my first bag that I bought was a black bag. And I thought, I really need a black bag because that's going to be like the most versatile color and I'm going to use it the most and everything. And now that I have other bags, I'm like, no, it's my least used color. Why do I even own 2 black bags? Everything else in my collection is cute and pastel. Well, it seems pretty squishy. I'll show you guys my current bag that I'm using right now, because I'm about to switch into this. I haven't reviewed this one on my channel yet. This one is my current bag that I'm using. Well, it's the field tote, and it's like super slouchy canvas, like very squishy. It feels thick, but it's like, it slouches a lot. And I'm wondering if this is going to slouch the same or hold its shape. I'm hoping it's going to hold its shape more, but if it slouches, I won't be mad at it. Because it's just so cute. Sorry, I'm blocking. She's so cute! Little Rowan. Alright, let's see what fits. Oh god, my bag's a mess. So, we got my sunglasses case. That's what's currently in my bag. Those fit in there. Still a lot of room. What else do we got in here? It's a mess. We got the Coach Slim wallet. And I also have $10 and a receipt loosely in there. I need to... It's about time I switch my bag. It's a bloody mess in there. So that can go in there. And there's still a lot of room. Oh, is this gonna fit in here? I haven't been using this though, so like I don't know if I want to bring that with me. We got my portable charger. Oh yeah, I got another sunglasses case. This is for my other sunglasses. Oh my god, the receipts. Holy crap. Holy. We got my house key. The cute Lululemon Never Lost keychain. I saw Aritzia copied it. So they made a copy instead of the Never Lost. It's like it's called the Always Found. I was like, bruh, how is that not infringing? Okay. Whatever. You do what you want. We got this recyclable bag. It's a Nintendo one. Animal Crossing. Whoop. Reusable bag, whatever you call it. What else do we got in here? Oh! My AirPods! Hello? Focus. You see them? My AirPods. I love my AirPods case. It's so good. I think I'll, I don't know, I'll just drop those in. I need like a wristlet or something to organize in there. Okay. And I gotta just go through all those receipts and get rid of them and stuff. And then I got this in my bag. I got this from the Coach Outlet Halloween collection, I think last year. It was on discount. What do I even have in this? Do I even have anything? Oh, I have my headphones. So that they don't get tangled in my bag. So yeah, I got that. Oh, and that all fits. Holy moly. Yeah. Receipts. No. That's not going to the new bag. Okay, let me check my zipper pouch. Oh yeah! I also have my passport case in there. I gotta put that in my new bag. I'm gonna put that in the zipper pocket. Hopefully it fits. Because I tried, like, I got a mark on it already. I don't know if you can see that. There. And I don't know what the hell. So I don't know what the hell happened. It looks like the color wiped off or something weird. So I'm like, I better protect this. This is delicate. So I'm going to put this in the zippered pouch part. Up here. If it fits. Wait, maybe I can put it in the slip pocket. Okay, if it's in the slip pocket, we'll do that. Uh-oh. The styrofoam doesn't want to come off. Oh my god, amazing. It fits everything. It's pretty loaded now. It's pretty full. I'll probably take my one sunglasses case out. Maybe hang my little pom-pom off it. No, that doesn't match. I need a new keychain for this bag. I'll have to show you guys how this fits crossbody. So give me a second here. Oh, what else is in here? I have more stuff, I guess. You always gotta keep a lip gloss. Beauty influencer, hello. Who? There we go. Some House Labs lip gloss. Marker. Kind of afraid to just put that loosey-goosey. What's this? Oh! Gotta have this. 'Cause Apple, you know. 'Cause they're a pain in the butt like that. They make you have different devices just to be able to use their headphones. 'Cause they take away the headphone jack. And then they make you buy things to use the headphones. Like, why you take it away? Why? Mysteries of the universe. Just kidding. We know it. They just want more money. But anyway. She's pretty heavy. She's full. I'll have to do another video where I can see how I can style it with chains and things like that. I kind of might want to actually get one of their straps. They have canvas straps in the C pattern that match this, but they're like a bit thicker because I kind of like a thicker strap lately. So here she is. I wonder if the handles are gonna dent into it if you're wearing it like this. It is kind of cuter being handheld, but I do like the ease of crossbody, so. Happy birthday to me! I can't wait to show you guys the rest of my haul I got from Coach Outlet for my birthday, as well as the other luxury items I got. And I will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe if you like fashion content and all that good stuff, because that's what the majority of my channel is about, other than art. Alright, see you guys in the next one.